It's a beam.
Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. Today we're going to talk about crack size. Not your plumber's crack, but drywall and stucco cracks around your home. More importantly, when is it an appropriate time, or when is it a dire need to give us a call, or a foundation repair company a call to come take a look at it? Well, the answer is whenever you are not comfortable with looking at it, or it continues to grow and expand or get wider. I was watching a TV show last night called Homeowners, and they were doing an inspection of a house with a new buyer, and there was a ceiling crack going down the length of the house, and the realtor said, oh, it's no big deal, it's just cosmetic. More than likely it wasn't. Cracks just don't appear. They always have a cause why they are there. So it's our job to find out what that cause is, and we are more than happy to help you out in finding out what exactly is the reasoning behind that crack actually showing up or getting bigger. So that there is your foundation repair tip of the day.